Today, we'll be building a CRM agent that searches through a target user's X followers looking for high-value second-degree connections. We'll show off how this agent uses the MCP servers that are on our marketplace and how it implements DAuth, our new authentication layer. Here's the tool you'll be building in action. I gave the agent an X user's name and handle, and the agent searches for 15 high-value second-degree connections. It calls the XMCP to pull the user's followers in their network, it uses web search when X data is insufficient, and it formats these results into a CRM-ready summary, with the potential connection's name, handle, bio, key interest, and a justification for why they're a good lead. In just one run of their agent, you can automate menial research into how to expand your social network with warm intros, letting you focus on other tasks. Let's see how to build this. To start, you'll need two things. First, navigate to the Daedalus dashboard and make an API key. Be sure to store this key somewhere safe, as you won't be able to see it again. The other thing you'll need is an X bearer token. You can navigate to the X developer portal to create an account and receive an API key. Just a note, the free version of the X API key is very limited, so this agent probably won't be ready for production of multiple users without a paid plan. We'll put both of these keys in an environment file and then start working on the agent itself. Now, let's build the agent. At the core of our agent is the Daedalus SDK. The SDK lets you define several key parameters for your agent, including the prompt, what model it uses, which MCP servers it has access to, in addition to other details. Here, we've created a prompt that gives our model a clear task list, referencing the connected MCP servers and specifying an output format. The MCP servers used here provide access to the X search tool and a basic web search. Using both gives the agent richer context about the accounts it finds on X, and it lets it fall back to web search if it can't find any good matches directly on X. For automation agents like this one, the prompt is key. If the agent isn't acting the way you expect it to, make sure your prompt is following the best practices. You can find a document explaining prompting best practices in our docs. Because Daedalus is model agnostic, this agent can use any model supported by our platform. This example uses Claude Opus 4.5, but you could just as easily run with models from OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, xAI, the list goes on. Now that you've prompted your agent and connected with MCP servers, it's time to pass your bearer token to the Xsearch MCP. To pass the token securely, we use DAuth, an authentication standard we developed to protect secrets that aren't secured by OAuth. To use DAuth, first define a connection schema for the X API. Then we pass that schema the token by getting it from the environment file. Finally, we define credentials the MCP servers need in the main runner, connecting the token with our DAuth server. That is all you need to pass secrets securely on Daedalus. We encrypt the token locally before passing it to an isolated enclave, validating credentials without ever seeing the secret. And now we're done! In just a few lines of code, we defined an agent, connected it to MCP servers, and passed our secrets to the server. Now, we have a powerful CRM agent that can find secondary connections and help you expand your network. For more help building agents on Daedalus, be sure to check out our docs and join our developer community on Discord. Happy building!